Hi, Mr.
Hello.
Nagendra.
Hi, madam. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah. Can you remember me?
Do you remember me? Yes, I remember you a little. Not vividly, but a little. You're from south of India, if I'm not wrong.
Okay.
Isn't it? You're from southern part of
Yeah.
India, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, I remember
Yes.
that
Yes.
part. I remember that part, that you're from
You are
southern part
right.
of India. Yeah.
You are right.
So, what brings you to Clapping Go again? And what brings you to me?
Me, it's a timings
The timing? Okay. The timings are favorable. Good. And anything else?
and your teaching style is good.
Oh, that's what I wanted to hear. So I prodded it out of you. Why aren't you saying that? I squeezed the answer out of you. Well, thank you for that lovely compulsory
Yeah.
praise that I just thwarted out of you. With that, I'd like to begin my class. Welcome to your session. Please tell me something about your day. What did you do since morning?
Since morning I went to office and there is a Monday now. It's a hectic work.
Hmm.
It went well.
That's all?
No, office work only. How can I tell office work like it's like
Isn't there
morning
anything
9:30
interesting
to
going on in your life? For example, I woke up in the morning, then I saw a ghost. Then after saying hi to that ghost, I went to the bathroom. All right. Then I went for a jog. Nothing like that. No ghost watching.
no, no. It's a
Why?
simple, it's a simple normal day.
Yeah, ghost chase
No,
simple people.
after Sunday, we are going to office now Monday. It's feeling like I'm not going to office like that. I don't want to
Oh,
go to
yeah.
office in the Monday. Like in the Sunday, we are taking a rest. Right?
Yes. On Sunday, not in a
Yeah.
Sunday. On Sunday, we take rests. We take rest,
Uh,
singular.
yes.
And then we have to
Yeah.
get back. The thing is that you have to make up your mind that tomorrow is Monday, so you have to be cheerful. You do not have a choice with that.
Yes.
Yes, so you make up your mind that I can be all groggy, I can be all grumpy throughout my Sunday, but on Monday I have to be perfect. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so Mr. Nagendra, I'm going to
Yeah.
ask you this question again, and you can
Yeah.
lie. All right, you can lie that I said hi to my lovely pet ghost, okay, before meeting some churel. I do not care. I need you to be creative. All right, let's focus on your spoken English and
Okay.
go, go, go on.
I need to describe again today what happened.
Yes, be as descriptive as possible.
Okay. To be truthful, there is no special happened. Okay. Yeah. I woke up at around 8 o'clock and I took my brush and I went to washroom and I take a shower and then I wear my clothes and I went to office around 9:30 and as usual like my colleagues are came and wish to me good morning and after that I started watching my all emails and there are so many pending emails are there. I need to sort out all pending emails and I started I gave a like I took a some prioritized tasks first I take a note of that one and after that one I'm working on one by one and today one more thing was every year in my office they gave me some diary next year diary.
New Year diary, New Year gift. You got a New Year
Ye-
gift.
yeah, I got a new year gift as a diary. The diary design was very good. It's a
Mm,
green color diary design was very
that's sweet.
wonderful.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Yeah, that's it.
One second, give me 1 second. One sec, 1 sec.
Okay, okay, no problem.
Will you please give this a read?
Yeah, after waking up in the morning, I realized that I was late for my office. I freshened up and immediately left for office. I skipped my breakfast, and as a result, I was irritated the entire day. A lot of work was pending. So many people needed to be replied, and so many emails to be forwarded. However, my hectic day ended well, and my boss gave me a diary.
Okay, come back.
Yes,
Come back.
yes,
So, Mr. Nagendra, I did this exercise because I wanted to see your reading skills as well, because your speaking and reading, everything is related. Like, at least the listening, speaking, reading, they are related to one another. All right. So, I
okay,
wanted to see your reading skills, and I must say that you have to work, like, you know your words. All right. Nowhere did you stop. Nowhere did you pause. Nowhere did you ask for the meaning or anything. Okay. But
okay,
your pronunciation needs to be really like your pronunciation needs a real thing. Like I need to look after your pronunciation.
okay.
Okay. Like irritated. No, irritated.
Irritated,
Correct. Tated. Da, 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 da. All right.
tated,
Yes. Why am I hearing tated? Tated. All right. Not tated. Tated. All right. You have to
tated,
touch the tip of your tongue to your teeth. All right.
irritated. Yes,
Irritated. All right. So what happens like late for my office? Now late, no, it's late. Okay, not
late.
late. Late. Okay. I freshen up. I freshened up. Okay. Your words need to land softly at any cost. English is a
Okay.
soft language. You are a good speaker of English. Okay. But where do you lose marks? You lose marks in your pronunciation. All
Yes.
right. We are going to focus on that together. I don't know how will you do that. I have no idea. I have just pointed it out, and
Yeah.
we'll slowly and steadily we'll move towards your pronunciation. Okay, I will
Okay.
make sure that you're doing trisyllabic words, big words. All right, so that
Okay.
the more complicated words that you come across, the more exposure you get. The complicate the okay, that's the
Okay.
whole. Okay. So is there anything else that you do you have any feedback, any problem that you want to share with me till now? The
No,
exercise that we
no. Yeah, it's good. Like you found out my faults and my yeah.
okay, okay.
I
Well,
really work on that one. Yeah.
okay, thank you. Well, I have made an exercise and I'm making this like I'm making every student of mine a lab rat. Okay, so would you like
Okay.
to try this exercise with me? It's still in the making. Would you like to give it a try?
Yes, yes, I'll do.
Okay. So basically, I'll give you a sentence. You have to find out the word. All right. For example, for example, I'll give you, what is that utensil called in which you fill up the water? So your answer would be jug, a tumbler, a water bottle, something like that. All right.
Okay. Okay.
But the game is like every word is starting with the same letters. All right. For example, your hint, the exercise that we are going to do, your hint is PED, ped.
Okay.
Okay. Ped. For example, your hint, like for example, jug. Okay. What is that thing called where you fill up the water? What is that utensil called? So you answer jug. Jug.
Okay.
All right. Then your
Okay.
next question would be, what is that place called which is full of trees, which is wild? Then you say jungle. So your
Jungle.
hint is J-U-J-U. Jungle, J-U, and jug, J-U. All right.
Okay. Okay.
So in the same way, P-E-D. Your hint is P-E-D. Cool?
Okay.
Okay, I'll give you a statement. What do you call the doctor of the children? If your child gets sick, where will you take him? To what kind of doctor? The answer starts with yes.
Pedestrian. Something.
You take him to a
Sorry.
pedestrian?
No. Yeah, P starting with P, right?
P-E-D.
PED.
Pediatrician. The word is
Pediatrician. Yeah, pediatrician.
okay. What are those people who walk on the street are called? People who walk on their foot. What are they called?
Walk on the feet, walk on the streets.
Normal people walking on the street. What are they called?
The
What was that word that you took before pediatrician? That you got confused with? That's the answer. Pedestrians.
pedestrians. Okay.
Those are called pedestrians. That's why I was wondering, why will you take your sick child to a pedestrian?
Yes.
Okay,
Pedestrian.
pediatrician and pedestrians. Pedestrians are the people who walk on the road. Okay,
Okay.
walkers. Okay, so
Okay.
Nagendra is a pedestrian. That means Nagendra walks on the road. Okay,
Oh, okay.
yeah. Pedestrians are requested to move on the side. That means let the car pass, let the pedestrians come on the side. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. What is that thing called which is required for your bicycle to move forward?
Pedal.
Correct. Pedal.
Pedal.
What is a child sex offender called?
What is that? Can you please repeat the question again?
Child sex offender.
Okay. I'm not recalling it.
Try. It starts with ped. P-E-D, pedo. It's a crime.
Yes,
Dash
yes.
is punishable by law. Pedophile. Pedophile.
Pedophile. Okay.
Didn't you know this word? A child sex offender?
No, I didn't know this word.
Pedophile. Phile means philia. P-H-I-L-I-A. Philia means to love. Okay.
Okay.
One second. I think it's a Greek or a Latin word. I'm not sure of the root. Okay. Pedo means a
Okay.
child. Pedo means a boy or a child. Okay. And philia means love. So if you come across philia anywhere, that means automatically it is love. For example, logophile, bibliophile, a person who loves books. It's called
Biblio.
bibliophile. Biblio means
Biblio.
books.
Okay.
Okay. Bibliography.
Bibliography. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. One more. A spa of the feet. Spa of the feet.
Spa of the feet.
Manicure and this is the spa of the hand. When you go, you must have seen women or men dipping their hands in the bowl and a beautician is taking care of the person. She is filing, he is filing.
Okay. What is that called?
Yeah, you must have seen it in parlors. I'm sorry, I have to go for a dash. I have to look after my feet. Oh my goodness, your feet are so dirty. Get yourself a dash.
No idea.
No idea? Pedicure. A
Pedicure.
pedicure.
Okay, pedicure.
And what is it called for the hands? Pedicure and manicure.
Manicure.
Okay.
Manicure.
Yes. Yes. Okay. A person who comes selling goods at your door. What is he called?
Goods at the door, like salesperson actually. Yeah.
It needs to start with PED.
Yeah. Thinking. Uh,
Peddler.
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 Okay.
Haven't you heard
Peddler.
of this word? Hawker and peddler.
Correct. Peddler. No.
Okay. No? Okay.
No idea.
And I don't know whether it's a norm in south of India or not, but there are people who sell utensils as
Yes.
peddlers.
Yes.
I don't know
Peddler.
whether they come to your place or not in south of India, but in north of India, it's quite common for the peddlers to sell utensils.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So, yeah,
Actually, in southern part of India, they are selling on the roads, like in the streets.
southern. Yes,
Yeah.
street markets is one thing. Those are
Yeah.
hawkers. Hawkers are the
Hawkers.
people who are there, like the market is illegitimate. It's a
Yeah.
street market. It's not government sanctioned, like people have come together. It's
Yeah.
what is it called? I think it's called a weekly market, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
So, and it's not every day. It's designated, and these hawkers, they move from, junction to junction. That's
Yes.
the thing.
Yes.
So one
Yeah.
time they'll be in one area, the other, like there is a, I don't know. Have you heard of the concept of Budh Bazaar, Guru
Yes.
Bazaar?
Yes. Guruba. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's like today, if there is a Budh Bazaar for me, there is a Guru Bazaar for someone else. All
Yes. Yes.
right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Last one. A platform. If you raise a person on a platform, if you really like that person, all right, what is that called?
Raise the person on the platform.
Where do you keep the idols of the Devis? Idols like,
In temples.
yes, in temple, but there is a thing made for them to mount on. What is that thing called?
Okay.
Pedestal.
Pedestal. Okay.
Pedestal.
Pedestal.
Not
Pedestal.
tell, tell. Pedestal.
Pedestal.
Okay. Whew, I'm tired. I'm tired.
You gave me a tough words.
Thank you. Thank you. And yeah, I have to challenge. I mean, come on.
Yeah.
Okay, if I see an advanced students, and I assume that all the people who are coming to me, they are already advanced. They already know a lot of things. All right,
Yes.
so I always
I'm
assume
not.
that.
I'm not advanced. Like I'm in intermediate, I think.
Yeah, you are more than intermediate. Yes, you are lesser than advanced, I must say, but you are more than intermediate. All right.
Okay.
Yes. So I'm tired. Now you have to navigate the class. Okay.
How to navigate? Like yeah. Yeah, and like I need to work on my vocabulary also. Like after.
Don't work on your vocabulary on a random note. Please don't do that. All right.
Okay. Okay.
I require you to do etymology. Okay. If you do your etymology, you will be approaching the word scientifically. All right. And you will see, like, for example, if you do antonyms and synonyms. Okay.
Yeah.
What is
Okay.
the start with antonyms first?
Okay.
Okay. And try
Okay.
to, like, at your level, the things go a little advanced. So just by watching antonyms, don't just like, okay, I've seen antonyms, okay, bye. No. Okay.
Okay.
Try to
Okay.
construct a sentence. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. I would suggest start with the list of the doctors. Okay. See
Okay.
how, yeah. I don't know how would you improve your vocabulary because it's a very personal sort of
Yes. Yes.
journey.
Yeah.
Okay. So see for yourself, come back to me and do your vocabulary and then come back to me. Okay. Why do
Okay.
I say this? Because if you won't do your vocabulary, you won't have anything to discuss with me. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. So, yeah, how do you want to take your class forward now? I'm tired.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Real nowadays, like for improving, like I'm watching Netflix series like that.
Which ones?
Recently, I completed Money Heist.
Okay. Which one's in English?
Yeah, it is there in English language only. Money Heist.
No, Money Heist is originally in Spanish. We all see and watch the subtitles and
Yeah,
translated versions of it. All
yeah,
right.
yeah,
Talking
yeah.
about
It
which
is.
originals have you seen in English?
Yeah, English version is also there.
Yeah, but it is translated from Spanish.
Okay.
Yes, it's Espanol.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
For
That's
English related, I watch Young Sheldon.
young children.
Young, not children. Young Sheldon. Sheldon.
Sheldon, not Sheldon. Sheldon.
Sheldon.
Yes. Young
Okay.
Sheldon. Yeah, it's a humorous show. Yes.
Yeah.
What do you like about that show?
It's a young boy. Like he's a very talented guy.
Yes.
Yeah. He always follow rules, and sometimes his sister like got irritated him.
His sister irritates him.
Yeah. His
Okay.
sister
Simple present
irritates
tense,
him.
something which is regular.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Something that happened in the past, it's happening in the present, will continue to happen in the future.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
simple present. So his sister irritates him. Go on.
Yeah. Sometimes he always do some crazy things like related to scientific work. Like he do always scientific related things.
Science related thing. All right.
Some like his mother friend, some professor is there. He always debates with that professor always.
Professor, not professor. Professor. Yes.
Professor. Yeah.
No, professor. Sir. Not sure. Sir.
Sir. Professor.
Okay, go on.
Okay, and his neighbor like some of his neighbor friends were there, like
Neighbors, not some of his neighbors. No, some of his neighbors.
some of his neighbors. Yeah.
Yes. Why is this like a, may I know, like, is this some, like, is this a very South Indian thing to say, like,
Yes,
like,
yes.
neighbors? Why do you say A as I? Why is this so? Is there something in Telugu, Tamil that I'm not aware of? Please educate
Yeah.
me.
Yes, like while speaking, like my mother tongue influence is always there.
Yeah, why? Like, this is a very typical thing of the South Indians that whenever there is an A sound, like late, neighbor, A sound, it will always be converted to I sound, neighbor, light. Why is this? Why is this?
I too
There
don't
must
know.
be some reason because I'm pretty sure there has to be. Do you write like when you text in Tamil or Telugu? Tell me,
Okay.
you use English keyboard, right?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yeah.
do you use like whenever there is an A sound, do you use EI for it?
No.
No?
No.
Okay,
Yeah,
but
only.
this is a very typical South Indian problem. So I wanted there has to be something in the mother tongue that is influencing their English learning.
Yes. Mother tongue is like influencing most of the times. I need to
Yeah.
overcome. Yeah. Actually, yeah, I need to overcome that. Like you found out the exact issue. Like
Huh.
always, my mother tongue is influencing while speaking in English.
That's okay, no problem. Have it influence as much as you can. But the thing is, when it completely overshadows English, then I have a problem. Okay.
Okay,
Like
okay,
I will never be if I'm not used to South Indians. If I'm not used to South Indians, then if I come across for the first time, if I'm talking to you, all right, now because of clapping go, I'm habituated to South Indian speaking. All right. So
okay,
if I'm not used to you, the thing is I will never understand late. I'm late. I would always ask them, what did you say? What did you say? Please repeat, please repeat, please repeat. Okay. Now that
okay,
I'm habituated, I know a couple of things here and there. Okay.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
He understand the people's knowledge, the people's words.
Language, not knowledge, please.
No,
I'm
yeah,
not
people's
some
language.
Shiva or something like that. No.
Yeah. Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah, I understand a little bit of language, and I'm interested in language.
yes,
Hence, it
yes,
helps me. Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
Good, great.
Yeah. So, Mr. Nagendra, I must apologize for troubling you so much for the language.
Yes, no problem, no problem.
Okay. I know that I have given you a lot of words, today. Okay,
Yes.
it's called
Yeah.
etymology. Okay, etymology, etymology. That's how you increase vocabulary. All the language learners have to go through etymology. They need to see the root word. All right, and how, for example, I do not know. Like, okay, let's take this word tree. All right,
Okay.
tree.
Okay.
All right, now you have to see like how you can add like like tree felling. All right, tree felling has taken, felling means to cut. Okay, so
Okay.
how tree has been, like felling has been attached to tree to make a complete new word. So every language person goes through this, and that's how our
Okay.
vocabulary increases.
Okay.
Okay, that's the
Okay.
thing. Yeah. So tree, then you have to make it plural. Then how can you make it plural? By adding an s. Okay, so
Okay.
tree
Okay.
becomes trees. Okay, sometimes we do not use tree felling, sometimes we use falling off the trees. Okay, that
Okay.
means deforestation. You're getting the
Okay.
point, right? That's
Yes. Yes.
how. That's how we get our word max. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So, Mr.
Got it.
Nagendra, I will see you then. Our time has come to an end.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye.
Nice talking to you. Bye.
Talking to you too.